In this video, we're going to look into, if possible, can you get a loan from Opay. So this is inside my own Opay app right here, and we have make more video around Opay, and people have been asking if it's actually possible to get a loan from Opay app itself. So we're going to look into that and see if it's actually possible to get a loan. But before that, I would like to tell you that Opay itself is not offering a loan to people. So they actually connect their platform to some loan apps inside their app, which of course they will actually grant you access to borrow loan from their app. So for example, if you log into your Opay app, then you go into finance section down below, then you're gonna see this page just like this. So you can see right here, then at the top right where you say savings and loan, just click on loans. Then you're gonna see this page just like this. You can see Ease Money. Sometimes you might see Ease Okash, and sometimes you might see Ease Money, but currently I think they are actually working with Ease Money. So Ease Money is actually different from Okash. So you can see right there, and if you go on Google Play Store and search for Okash, you'll be able to see Okash app on its own. So let me quickly do that so you can see what I'm talking about. Let me go to my Google Play Store, then search for Okash app. So right here you can see Okash app is available, and if you scroll down you can also see Ease Money. You can see Ease Money too, and this is the same Ease Money that is available on the Opay app. So you can see Ease Money. So let's try to check that. So you can see it's the same thing. So you can see it's the same thing right there. So let me show you. So you can see it's the same thing. So what actually happened is that Ease Money partner with Opay, where people find it easy. So you don't have to like go to so people actually go online to find if Opay is actually offering a loan. So once you come down here, you'll see that there is a loan app inside the app. So once you click on to apply now, it's going to link you directly to Ease Money app on Google Play Store. So people believe that Opay and Palmpay is most time the same thing. And if you go on Opay itself is offering a loan to people, you understand. So, and it's very simple to apply for a loan on Opay. They don't partner with anybody. They are actually offering a loan all by themselves. But Opay is not offering a loan by themselves. They actually partner with Blue Ridge Microfinance Bank. You can see, and this Blue Ridge Microfinance Bank is also own Okash, I guess. So you can see Blue Ridge Microfinance Bank from Ease Money. So let's go to Okash. So you can see exactly what I'm talking about. You can see Blue Ridge Microfinance Bank. So Okash have gained some ground, which is why sometimes you might see both app on this page. You might see Okash and Ease Money inside the Opay app for loan access, and sometimes you might just see one of them. Sometimes you might even see Okash only. You might not see Ease Money. So it depends. But for you to believe that Opay themselves, they are not offering a loan for any individual, so you can't actually get a loan like that. So these are the loan apps that are partnering with Opay, and you can also use them to apply for a loan.